Good day, guys. It's your one and only Peace like 72. As you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, I dropped a video today regarding NAS100 update. It was a beautiful one whereby I caught a buy on London Open. Understand? So, as you can see now, currently I'm on derived platform. Understand? Volatility 75, 1S index on its highest time frame, 24-hour, which is our daily time frame. Understand? So I also dropped another one, guys. It was about volatility 100. Understand? If you never watched that one, please go back and watch it. Understand? Let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and don't forget to like and comment below, and also subscribe to the channel, and let's share the channel with your friends and trading friends. Understand? So on this platform, I'm not changing any strategy, or I'm not using any different strategy. I'm not doing anything. I'm not approaching the market in any new way. You understand? It's just the same way that you all know. You understand? So yeah, so I'll just identify my lowest point there, and I'll just also identify my highest point there, and also identify this high there. Yeah. So guys, as you can all see, I am looking for my reversal points, which are my zones that act as a support and a resistance. You understand? I have to really know where the market is going. So let's see what happened before. So we had a downtrend. We had a sorry about that. We had a bearish trend. Understand, guys? We had a bearish trend, and then the market decided to just break this trend and come back and retest. You understand? Where was the retestment? The retestment was it was here, guys. It was here. So the market decided to retest and push to the top side. You understand? So now we are on we are on a bullish trend. We are on a bullish momentum. You understand? We are supposed to be looking for buying opportunities. We are supposed to be looking for buying opportunities till the market breaks this low here. That's whereby we all know that we are creating a new change of structure to a bearish trend. You understand? But for now, the market hasn't break that low there, so we are just hoping for buying opportunities. You understand? So let me just get my zones into place, and let's get into the action, guys. We have to really get into action, guys. We have to really get into the action. So guys, finding your strategy or knowing what works for you is really important, guys. We can't be changing strategies every time we see our accounts blown or anything like that. You understand? We have to understand that finding a profitable strategy is the only way. You understand? We really have to find one profitable strategy. So you can see that the market is still below this resistance, meaning it's currently selling. But now the question is, where will it be selling to? You understand? That's what I'm about to find out. You understand? Am I looking for selling opportunities, or am I looking for buying opportunities? So number one, I have my first answer. The fact that the market is below this resistance means I'm still going down. You understand? Till the market comes to the top here, heading to the top side. That's whereby I will know that I'm looking for buying opportunities. But number one, we are looking for selling opportunities. So we just have to identify more zones on the chart and see if we are buying or selling. Understand? So let me just identify those zones, and I'll get back to you guys. You know the vibes. So guys, I'm done identifying the zones. I am done identifying the zones. So let's see how these zones are being respected. You can see, guys, these zones are being respected. Look at that. You can see that these zones are being respected. You understand? So let's get to the business now. Let me just identify my support. So we do have a support there. I think that's where the market is currently at. You understand? We do have a support there, guys. Let me just make it smaller. So we do have a support. You can see that the market did retest on that support many times. Understand? The market did retest on that support many times. You can see that the market did come and retest on that support many times. Understand? We can see that the market did come and retest on that support. You understand, guys? So what is it now? What is it now? What is it now? What am I supposed to be doing? So what am I supposed to be doing is, I did understand my structure. My structure was, I am heading to the top side because why? I am in a bullish trend. You understand? I am in a bullish trend. I have my higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I have my swing and sub structure. I have my impulse and correction, which is just, it's the same thing, guys. I don't want to confuse you. It's just a different concept or different definitions, should I say. So I'll just connect my trend lines. You can see, guys, from the top there to the downside there, I can see that, okay, fine, I'm still in a bullish trend, you understand? And I can see that the market did come and resist, you understand? So what am I supposed to be doing? I would simply go to my 8-hour. I'll simply go to my 8-hour. On my 8-hour, let me just adjust this there. Understand? Let me also adjust that there. Let me just adjust that there. Understand? So guys, we can also see that we had a trend there. We had a sorry about that. We had a trend there, guys. We had a trend there. We had a trend there. And the market did break and come to retest, and buying opportunities were taken. Yeah, I did take this trade. I remember I did also post it on my Instagram story, if I'm not mistaken. Understand? So yeah, so yes, let's see if we can find any possible entry point. You can see these zones are being respected nicely, so I'll just have to take this tool to the low there, to that high there. Understand? So I can see that the market is currently, it has been playing on this zone. Understand? Let me just delete this rectangle, guys. So yeah, I can see that the market is playing on this day, guys. It's playing on this thing there. Understand? We have a zone there. The market is currently playing there. Understand? The market is currently playing there. So the buying opportunities are supposed to be taken, but as I always say, you can't take any trade without any confirmation. Understand? So I'll just have to move to my 4-hour. Let's see on the 4-hour what we do have. Understand? So on my 4-hour here, guys, let me just see. Let me just delete this, guys. Let me just delete this. So I can see that we had been on a downtrend. Understand? And the market broke. We came here to retest and push to the top side. And I can also see that there was a uptrend there. So as I always say, guys, 2 points connect a trend line. Understand? 2 points connect a trend line. 2 points connect a trend line. And the third point acts as your what? As your reversal. Never get that wrong, guys. Never get that wrong. Understand? And I also have what, guys? I also have a trend there. Okay, I'm on a trend, guys. You can see that I'm on a beautiful trend there. The market just decided to break the trend. You understand? Which is something that I can't control, but it's something that I can take advantage of. You understand? So yeah, let's see what is possible now. Let me just delete these arrows. So many would be looking for let me see, many would be looking for something like this and then sell. Understand? Many would be looking for something like that, which is not wrong, because we were all taught like that. You understand? I was also taught like that, guys, but at some point I came to realize that it doesn't really work that much. Understand? It doesn't really work that much, because there are some concepts that we do have to understand, such as liquidity manipulation stuff. Understand? So yeah, let's see, guys. Let's see what's happening. We did break the trend there. What am I looking for? I am looking for possible entry point. Then I am currently looking for a possible entry point. Okay, I don't see any, guys. I don't see any. So I just have to just scale down to now. Let's see if we can really find something. Let me also just move these guys to here. We really have to move that here. But then no, let's just delete it, because I don't think we need it. Understand? I don't think we need it. And also there was something, a trend inside a trend inside a trend. Understand? There was a trend inside a trend. Let me just fix that. There's a trend inside a trend there. Let me just fix it a little. Yeah, there was a trend inside a trend, and we can see that the market did break, and we only believe that once a trend line is broken, the market has to come where the trend line started, and where the trend line started is there, understand? So we have to wait for the market to come there. Then we should be waiting for what? Buying opportunities or selling opportunities. Let's find out, guys. We have to find out, guys. We have to find out. In order for you to make money, you have to look for such things, guys. You don't have to just analyze and take positions. You have to find the direction of the market. So we can see that the market did come and retest on this golden zone here. That's why selling opportunities were there, understand? So yeah, now we just have to see where we can take those. Let's see, guys. Let's use that same high there, then that same low there, and just move it there. Okay, we can see that the market did also come there and retest. Okay, let me just also move to my smallest time frame, 15 minutes, and see what are we looking for, understand? Okay, perfect. We can see that we have a high, we have a low there. It's already there, understand? We have a high and we have a low. That's already. Where's my tool there? Okay, fine. We have a high and we have a low. That's already there. So what am I looking for, guys? I am looking for the market to just come. I'm just waiting for the market to just come and push to the downside. We still have a 90% rule that needs to be respected there. This blue line, it's the end of our 90% rule because we had this broken trend line, understand? So yeah, we just have to wait for the market to come to that point there, just retest. But as I always say, you can't enter without any confirmation. What is our confirmation at this current point for me to know that we are going to the top side? This high there, we have a high there, guys. This high there needs to be broken, understand? Once this high is broken, then I know that we are heading to the top side, meaning now I will invest my tool to take me from the bottom to the top, understand? What I mean by that is that I'll simply, let's say, guys, we have something like this. You can already see we have a low, and the market decides to break here, understand? I'll wait for another high, understand? I'll wait for another high. Let's say there's a high there, then I'll just simply take my zone and my tool from there to, let's say, that high here, understand? Then what will I be looking for? I'll just wait for the market to come there and then head straight to the golden zone and just push to the downside, understand? That's what I mean, understand? But then for that to happen, as I always say, I have to wait for a confirmation. I really have to wait for a confirmation. And what is my confirmation? As I said, I'll have to wait for the market to just break this high there, understand? And then create a new high, understand? Then I will know that I'm heading to the top side, understand? But if the market decides to break this low, if the market decides to break this low here, if the market decides to break this low there, then I still know that, okay, fine, I'm going to the downside, meaning now things will change. I will use my tool there from there to some to, if there is a new low there, from that high there to a new low, and then simply wait for the market to come and retest, you understand? But let's see if I can find any entry point. Let's see if I can find any entry point, guys. Let's see if I can find any entry point. I don't really see anything because the market has been testing on the same zone here. This zone has been tested many times, guys. 1, 2, 3 times. Understand? This zone has been tested for many times. So just delete that. So, just see if I could be finding something. And we had a double bottom here that made the market to push to the top side. and here we have a triple bottom that influenced or made the market to go to the downside. Understand? But this can also act as your consolidation phase, guys. It can still act as your consolidation phase, and I don't see any direction currently besides what I said. It's either it breaks there or it breaks to the bottom. You understand? Then yeah, guys, I just have to wait for that. Besides that, I won't enter because I don't see any entry. You understand? So yeah, it still stands. I don't see any entry point because the market is currently what? It's currently on its phase of playing around. Understand? As I said, I will just have to wait for the market to break the top or the low and simply use my tool to find an entry point, because this 90% here, this 90%, let me just go to a higher time frame. This 90% has to be, this 90% here has to be reached. Understand? It has to be successful. Understand? At some point. Understand? Then the market will just depend. It will decide on itself where it's going. Understand? So yeah, guys, let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. It's your one and only Beast72, as you all know, a mentor. And the same thing, that whatever that's happening here, guys, it has been happening even on the previous videos that I've posted, especially on gold. I think on gold, I remember it once happened. You understand? Yeah, on gold it once happened. I spoke about accumulation. Yeah, it once happened. If you watch the previous videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's your one and only, guys, Beast72, as you all know, a mentor. Thank you, guys. But then I think, okay, but then yeah, guys, but then let's see, let's just take those because of this zone. I'll just risk, guys. Let's just take those selling opportunities where to this point, they understand, to which point, to this point, they, to that point there. Why am I choosing that point there? To this point there. Understand? Let's just take those buying opportunities to that point. Understand? Let's risk it, but let's keep the stop loss below here. It's not a valid trade, guys, because of this zone. I'm trusting my strategy. Because of this zone, I'll just risk. But then, as I always say, I don't enter without any confirmation. That's one thing I can tell you all. I'll just simply wait for a confirmation. What is my confirmation? Let's wait for the market to break this high there. Let's wait for the market to break that high there. Then simply take those buying opportunities. Understand? So once that high there is once this high there is broken, then I know change of structure. Understand? Because you can see we have been on a downtrend. Then if the market decides to break, then I know it will be something like this to the top side. You understand? So yeah, this is what I'm currently looking for. I'll just see and wait, guys. As you all know me, Joan and only Beast72. Remember to let's share the channel with your friends and trading friends, or anyone who knows that is interested into trading. And let's get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, and don't forget to like the video or comment below. Thank you. One love. Peace.